theories. This nice delivery got me rated. Banana berries and smooth metallys overdated. The gelato is white cherries. Yeah, I'm motivated, drifting off in the 5 Series. Cool like rollerblade, feeling fresh air. We like next day airing. Still a best pair like your first set of earrings. Yeah, wait till you get here, it's gon' click like time sharing. All praises be, thought you knew you was God-fearing. When it was time to man up, coming from the sandbox, and we had to find out. We the illest tandem, ISO Nation fandom, side by side like Hov and yeah, them guys will stand up, breaking through your sound box at any time of day. Look at what the brand of, now we in the skybox and we floating through the airways.
But look at life, used to stay up late, watching Nick at night. Now we booking flights, staying in B&B's, it's 5 at night. People move funny with business, I let them see my wife. Cause she don't take shit from nobody, she swear she always right. Yeah, we living life, but dim the lights. I don't do shit but lay the pipe when it's late at night. Niggas bragging about how they took a life, but that's never nice. Till that karma catch back to them and then they pay the price. We was always nice, never scared to join the safe. Studied OGs like Tip Jarreau, B. Ali and Fife. Everything been cinematic like we signed a Johnny Shice. Gotta earn your stripes, ISO been the prototype.
It was on the man up, coming from the sandbox. Man, we had to find out where we at. We the illest tandem, ISO Nation fandom, side by side like Hov and yeah, them guys will stand up, breaking through your sound box at any time of day. Look at what the brand of, now we in the skybox and we floating through the airways. We float. You see the proof like they said the truth right. We ain't that spook type, bringing in that true light. This ain't that goof hype. You know it's 2 types, the good or the bad. Why don't you pick you a side? The yin and the yang, just to balance out the vibe. I put some 4Gs on it just to show a different ride. Used to put 40 up and now it's double just a cop. It hit different now since we got up off the block. Since we got up off. Done. Back up on my grizzly, on my bar shit. Yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Fake ass energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around, it's time it costs. Yeah. I can't judge nobody, no, we all fucked up. I don't trust nobody, only God I trust. Over traumatized, so the squad might bust. Probably catch your body, then the squad locked up. Look, I'm it in my head, I don't know which way to turn up. Thought it was forever, but relationships and turn out. And I'm sick of trying, man, I start to feel the burnout. People come and go, that's a lesson that I learn now. Back up on my grizzly, on my bar shit. Yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Fake ass energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around, it's time it costs. Yeah. Back up on my grizzly, on my bar shit. Yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Fake ass energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around, it's time it costs. Yeah. Doing well now, I let go cause I wasn't held down. False claimers, false friends, yeah, they everywhere now. I just move in silence, I don't kiss and tell. Now let me get that back. I just move in silence, I don't kiss and shh. Look, life ain't come with manuals. Old friends, I wish them well. Close the coffin, hit the nail. Had to change the personnel. Keeping distance, he can tell. Giving distance, he can tell. Find my peace and laugh behind these raps while the speakers swell. Back up on my grizzly, on my bar shit. Yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Fake ass energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around, it's time it costs. Yeah. Back up on my grizzly, on my bar shit. Yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Fake ass energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around, it's time it costs. Yeah. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 2 doors in my coupe. I look better under you, girl, I love you, you my truth. OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do. Look, I'm hotter than 10. Check out my phone and you calling again. Pull up outside and you all in the bed. Keeping it up, I don't need the extends. Running it back and again. It is so good, got you telling your friends. You need for work, second traffic again. We not this done, now we off of the grid. Who does it better? Nobody. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on. Did it again, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10, got me on 10. 2 doors in my coupe, I look better under you. Girl, I love you, you my truth. OJ with that juice, got that magic 32. Tell me what you tryna do.